There is a mysterious, deep, and rumbling sound bothering residents of Tampa, Florida for years. There is a rumor that it was from a secret military base or aliens. This intermittent noise has been a source of frustration for the community, so they collectively raised $2,500 to purchase equipment and enlisted professionals to help them locate the source of the sound. After experts installed recording equipment underwater, they found out that the noise comes from black drum fish. During mating season, these fish generate a deep drumming sound by contracting muscles around their swim bladders. This low-frequency sound can travel far, allowing people to hear it from up to 1.6 kilometers away.